The magical pot of rice. Once, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer. He worked hard all day, but still had very little to eat. At night, he often went to bed hungry, whispering a prayer for better days. One hot afternoon, while digging in his field, the farmer's spade struck something hard. He dug carefully and pulled out an old clay pot, dusty and cracked. To his surprise, the pot glowed softly, as if it were alive with magic. The farmer carried it home. Out of curiosity, he dropped a handful of rice inside. Suddenly, the pot shone brightly and filled to the brim with steaming, fluffy rice. The farmer gasped. He tasted it. Warm, delicious, and endless. The kind farmer did not keep the pot for himself. He called his neighbors, especially the hungry ones. Everyone ate together, laughing and smiling, their bowls always full. The magical pot brought joy to the whole village. But one man was not happy. He peeped through the window with greedy eyes and whispered, "Why should he have it all? That pot must be mine." That very night, the greedy man crept into the farmer's house. He stole the glowing pot and ran back to his home. Rubbing his hands together, he laughed. "Now all the rice will be mine." He dropped some rice into the pot. At once, the pot overflowed with hot, fluffy rice. At first, he clapped with joy. But soon, the rice kept rising, filling his kitchen, covering his floor, and bursting out of the door. The greedy man cried, "Stop! Stop!" But the pot didn't listen. By morning, rice was flooding the streets. Villagers ran to help, laughing at the greedy man buried in piles of rice. The farmer came, lifted the pot, and at once, the rice stopped. The farmer said gently, "This pot brings happiness only when used to share. Greed will only bury you." The greedy neighbor hung his head in shame. From that day on, the farmer used the magical pot to feed the hungry. No one in the village ever slept on an empty stomach again. The pot glowed warmly in his hut, a symbol of kindness and sharing.